Mara. What are you doing? Are you painting? Can you say painting?
Painting.
Yay! Can you show us your pretty picture? Hold it up. Let's see it. Pick it up and let me see. Oh, what a beautiful picture, Mara. I love it. Did you make all of these pretty paintings?
Yeah.
Awesome. You are a wonderful artist. Do you like to paint? Huh? Does it make you happy? Do you have a happy heart? Hey. Goober, you're being recorded. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Are you all done?
No.
More. Okay. Here's your paint. Is that fun? Yeah.